What do Prince, Pablo Picasso, and Abraham Lincoln all have in common? They each died without an estate plan in place. Prince's estate was reportedly worth $200 million and ended up going to his sister and five half siblings. Picasso's estate took 6 years to settle and cost $30 million to do so. And by the way, estates of musicians and other artists often continue to generate money long after they are gone. Michael Jackson, since he has passed away, his estate has reportedly generated more than $1.3 billion. Crazy. Not having a legal will or a trust in place when you die means you have died intestate and leaves the decision as to who gets what up to the probate court in your state or states if you owned assets in multiple states. A court appointed administrator will compile your assets, will pay your liabilities, and then will distribute any remaining assets to parties they deem as beneficiaries. What about minor children? The court could also determine their guardian. But there's an easy fix. If you own anything, a car, a house, investments, if you have dependents, have a will or a trust drafted by an attorney. It will leave you more in control of your assets after you are gone. But which one do you get? Do you get a will? Do you get a trust? Do you get both? It depends, which is an answer I give often because it varies from person to person. An attorney can certainly help make that decision with you, but everyone should at least have a will. A will allows you to name beneficiaries and a guardian for any children. If you have minor children or adult children who are spenders, assets in multiple states, large amounts of assets, as a few examples, you may want to consider a trust. Minor children can't accept your assets outright, and a trust will let you direct your assets for a longer period than a will and might protect your assets better than a will also. Along with a will or a trust, you should also have a healthcare proxy that allows someone to make medical decisions for you if you are incapacitated, and a durable power of attorney, which allows someone to handle your finances while you're incapable of doing that. And once you complete these, review them. Don't just stick them in a drawer. Review them annually and know that any of the above can be modified. You can change the person that you're putting in charge at any time. Hopefully, that lights a fire under you to begin estate planning if you haven't already, or to review an existing one. And if you have a financial planning question I can answer for you, send me an email, brad.wright@launchfp.com, and I'll help you get to know your money.